So we're back. Apologize for being gone for a few months. We actually took some time to spend it back home in Florida with some family. My mother passed away a few months back, actually the end of September, beginning of October. So we felt it was important to put a pause on things and be with family. Especially times like these, you realize that family is so important, and we definitely took the time to just be there with Dad and do our best to be there, whatever he needed. But it's interesting when a family member leaves us. You reflect on times and what they mean to you. And the word that keeps coming back to me and LJ is legacy. We thought a lot about Mom's legacy and what she left behind. I've learned a lot about legacy, or about the meaning of legacy and its importance. Mom's life to me was one full of courageous choices, all designed to better our lives, her family. What she left behind was a world full of legacies, seated in each of us. She brought us joy, her playfulness, her smiles, her laughter, her sarcasm. It played a big role in our lives. She created history. We're each part of her history, and we carry that legacy on, which I think makes it a little more bearable to go on with life without her. It's not what any of us want, but that's life. My wife and I took time out of each day and we just drove to the beach. Just reflecting on our own journey, what we want our legacy to be. We came to the conclusion that what we want is a piece of her legacy to be part of our legacy. And that legacy is our family. A part of me now, a palm to my mouth, I said it almost. Snow, brother, I bet it'll go. Shadow with blood in my nose, I you.